guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Thabangajigini, and on today's video we're gonna be making yam balls. So this is the first episode of the Undomesticated Babe series. So by the time I'm done with this series, I need to be a caterer. I'll have my own catering company, you know, offering catering services. So by the time I'm done, your girl will be a caterer. So we're gonna get right into the video. So these are yams. Okay, so we're gonna use half of them. So first things first, we're going to boil. So I already boiled the water and everything. Let me actually switch on the stove. You know, I'm gonna switch it on high heat because we don't have time. We don't have time to be sitting. We don't have time to be sitting here forever. So let me just open these. We've managed to open up the yams. So we're gonna use half. I'm gonna respect my mom's wishes and use half, even though I wanted to use all of it. But in any case, all of it won't even fit inside the pot. So I don't even know how to measure half. I'm gonna do this half. So we're gonna chunk in half of these inside the pot, and then we're gonna bring it to a boil. Bring it to a boil, my darling. Did you hear what I said? Did you hear the chef in me say, bring it to a boil? Yes. I think this is half. This should be, maybe I should add more, you know? Add more. I boiled some water in the kettle, so I'm gonna add some boiled water and bring these babies to a boil. Should I wear an apron? Let me wear an apron so I can look serious, you know? If I'm gonna be a future owner, fuck. This thing might not fit on my hair, and I just combed out my hair. Okay, so this is a new way to wear an apron. You know, this is style. Style! So I'm gonna wear this apron so I can look professional, you know? If I'm gonna be opening up a catering company, weird like this, because to be, oh my gosh, fashion. Yes guys, what you know about fashion? What you know about fashion? There's actually those nice little cute tank tops that have the strand going sideways diagonally. So this is style, baby, but like style when cooking. While that is boiling, should we listen to some music? Should we listen to some music? We need to have a little bit of, you know, energy inside here. So Burna Boy, he released some music. He released his album Twice as Tall. Also, Fireboy dropped. Did you hear that? That's the sound of money. I'm joking. That's actually the sound of the speaker when it connects. When it connects, it's the sound of a connection. So let's listen to my favorite song from Burna Boy. We're gonna start out with the African Giant.
Like the trees in the summer, when the seas are trouble, and then we all need someone.
The song hasn't even started, but we started.
From my enemies and my neighbors.
Hey, come on. Zero, I look at. Money, don't be selling money, only selling money. Come on. So the yams are done boiling. Yo, it took forever for the yams to finish boiling. So this is how they look like. It's not in English. They look like. I don't know if you guys can see the steam. Hopefully you guys can see the steam. Can you see the steam? Oh, you guys can see the steam. So while these babies are cooling down, because we need breadcrumbs, I'm gonna blend our own breadcrumbs. So listen, you don't have to buy breadcrumbs anymore. You just have to blend your toasted slices of bread. So let's just say that I'm a chef because I give you guys a tip. Okay, I give you guys a tip. So if you want to make your own breadcrumbs to make fried chicken, meatballs, whatever you want to make, tell the people that you got from me, Chef T to the rescue. Okay, this is actually hot in my hands. So let's just blend our sorrows away and then okay, so we're live from another angle. So this is the end result of the blended crust, well, blended toast. So this is how it looks like. It's not that fine, but it's okay, it's gonna do the job. Have a little mash thingy, my barbecue, and we're gonna mash these things. This is hard labor, guys. What the fuck? Oh my gosh. As you guys can see, your girl's struggling, but I serve and live with God, and I know that my God will always come through for me at the end of the day. Woo! Okay, so we back and we better. Okay, we back and we better. And so I managed to mash the yams to this consistency. So we will be moving on to the next step. Okay, so now that we've gotten all the spices and the egg yolk into the bowl, we're gonna mash these things together. Mashing up everything together. Oh, this is such a messy job, but like the mesh is looking sort of mashed. It don't look like what it looks supposed to look like in the video, so we're just gonna make do with what we have. So I'm just gonna make like little balls and then dip it into flour and then the egg mixture and then the breadcrumbs. Sakoloweko, ikebewa meja jawa. Guys, I'm done. I'm gonna show you. Let me just finish cleaning up. Hey, come on. Yes, I'm done, and this is the end result. It looks golden brown. This is the golden brown that they are talking about. So I mean, damn, this looks nice. I'm actually so excited, but I don't know how it's gonna taste like, so I'm kind of scared to taste. You know, it looks good, but the problem is the taste. How it's gonna taste like? So I mean, I don't know. Should I taste it myself and then I'll ask someone to taste? Yeah, I should probably do that. Okay, so I'm gonna try this. Oh my gosh. Wish me luck. Okay, I'm kind of worried how this is actually gonna turn out to be. This is Busola. Welcome to my channel. This is not the way she's supposed to, you know, be brought into the whatever. This is not the way she's supposed to be introduced to the channel. So this is the ultimate taste test. My mom didn't want to feature, so had to use my sister. So this is yam ball. So I'd just like to say, do you give me your consent to eat this thing?
Yes.
If anything happens, I will not be liable.
Fine, I will survive.
There you go.
It's like a dessert.
I don't know what it's supposed to taste like. What would you give it out of a 10?
Really 8. An 8.
Carry me. Carry me. Hey! The bear says go give me 8. Hey! 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 That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So I don't know if I want to do another episode of the Undomesticated Babe series because it's so long to film and it just requires so much energy, especially from someone who doesn't really like being in the kitchen. But I mean, damn, like I have to learn, you know, because I mean, if I were a wife, I wouldn't cook for my man. Come on, sing it. I would make him cook all the time. Lol. Anyways, so yeah, like imagine cooking for my husband. Scary. Ew. 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 But anyways, like this is the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. So bye.